Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the update on Celer Network. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price end of Celer Network has formed another falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart, and this was my last video. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the price end is geared up after testing this support, but once again, it is rejected by the resistance of the wedge. By the way, when I shared my last video at that time, it was dropped at the support, and now you can see that after this pump, the price and is rejected. By the way, if I place this measurement tool from this to here, then you can see that it was almost 29 or 30% pump. And now we are about to test the support of the wedge. This time, by the way, the support will be here approximately at 1.3 cents. And over there, we have another quite long-term support as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.3 cents has been recently breaking as a resistance here. For a few weeks, it has been breaking as a support here and resistance here. And for a few weeks, it has been working as a resistance here as well and support here. And therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Celer Network. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel. And we will also take a look at a very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that it is breaking out different bullish bias patterns. Like first it broke out this wedge. We had a nice short rally, but the price and got stuck inside in another wedge. Then we broke out this wedge. We had a nice pump, broke out another smaller wedge. That was by the way more visible on the daily time frame chart. Then we had another pump. And after the breakout from this channel, we had another very nice pump. And now it has formed another bullish bias pattern. And that is another falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for cow, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 19th of January 2025 with my members. And yeah, here you can watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then after clicking this play button, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Celer Network. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that it is moving inside this wedge. And for the past several weeks, it is forming lower lows and lower highs. Now, the movement is quite squeezed inside this wedge. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon we may see a breakout or breakdown from this pattern. This is, by the way, a bullish path pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout. In fact, if we bought the previous history of Stellar Network, then you can see that whenever it is forming any bullish path pattern like wedges and channels, it is breaking them out rather than breaking down the supports of those patterns. And for example, if we will have another breakout from this wedge, then technical target for the breakout will be here, approximately at 3 cents. And by the way, over there, we have another quite long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 3 cents has been recently breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks. Before that, was breaking as a resistance here and support here, and also worked as a resistance here as well. And after that, I'm expecting that the pricing can also hit the target for the breakout from this previous down channel because after this massive pump, so far the pricing could not hit the target for the breakout from that channel that was here at the top of the channel at 4 cents. And by the way, this 4 cents has been recently working as a resistance here for a few weeks. And before that, for a few weeks, it has been working as a support here and support here as well. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.